Moments with Dad.
We're going to make a beautiful thick stew.
Yay.
Made with brisket.
Brisket.
We're going to make a mushroom version of it. The pie includes herbs and garlic. Of course, we're going to coat the whole thing in beautiful pastry and use some corn flour to get the flavor out of the beef while we're cooking it, and to thicken it once it's done. We're going to first of all fry it in the pan. And then once we're done there, we're going to transfer it over to the pressure cooker to cook it very quick. Let's see how we go. My skills aren't very good.
I love that song.
There we go. We've got a lovely diced onion.
That's gonna make you cry, babe. Yeah.
You shouldn't have recorded this bit. I didn't chop it well. However,
That's okay. So we're just using one onion, one big onion.
I didn't do this right. I think I've done wrong.
That's okay, you're doing all right.
So just edit it, show the start and the finish, okay?
So you're removing the hard fat. That's my favorite part, though.
It's not very sharp
So you've got corn flour there, and then you just coat the brisket. So we're making this especially for Dad. Special order from Dad.
I think that's as good as the last one was.
He said it's the perfect pie ever.
It's a lot of pressure.
I'm sure it's gonna turn out better than the first one that you did. Oh my God.
So much after the That's a lot of onions.
That will add more flavor.
You like onions?
You like onions? Dad likes onions, so that's no issue. It smells good now. Let's garlic. Garlic. Oregano. Just a little bit of everything. Oh yes, I can smell it.
That's nice.
So what we're using the instant pot. So we can.
Pressure cooker.
It's a pressure cooker. Yeah, but oh yeah, that's the name of that.
There's also so.
So we're gonna use that one to make it tender, and it will be only 30 minutes. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a good job.
Yeah. So you don't have to like wait for 2 hours.
Mm.
This one, it will just take 30 minutes, and we're gonna be good. So.
See, here we go.
Yay! The chef is in the house. Look. Just close it. It's always a challenging part, right?
Ooh.
So
Now we want-
you got to start. You start already, and then start. Let's start it. Yay!
Go.
So we just have to wait for it. So we have the mushroom. It's a big mushroom. We got 3 pieces. So we're just going to.
Might not use it all, but we'll cook it all.
Yeah, this is a yummy one. Why do you need to remove this one?
I don't know. I don't normally.
You don't normally, but Dad usually like remove them.
Dad used to pick them out of a paddock. Nowadays they farm them.
Mm. But is it still safe
So,
to eat like the one that you got from the paddock?
mm-hmm.
Really? You know what? Before when I was younger, I thought that this is growing. It's when a dog pee.
Maybe.
And then you'll have like this one. This is the only contribution that I have in this
You do taste this.
pie. I'm not really into pie, but this pie is the best. Look at your eyes, babe. Like, I got so worried. I got so worried because, like, All right, my job is done, sir. They're done. Okay, they're good. So let's give the floor to the chef again. So you're just going to saute this bit.
Mm-hmm.
Mushroom.
Then with the thickening.
Are we gonna? What type of pie are we cooking?
Bacon mushroom.
Bacon mushroom. Not the cheesy one?
Yeah, we'll
Steak
put
and
cheese on top.
Ah, okay.
This one's gonna have the addition of mushrooms.
Ah, okay. Nice.
Look.
You really know how to trigger me, huh?
No, that's a good thing. I thought you'd be happy.
It's not. It's not bad, really.
Hmm.
You want me to trigger you?
No, I thought you would be happy because I tuned it the right way. Instead of just leaving it. That's what I always do. And we'll put all that stuff away and make sure the labels are right.
Where?
And I'll put the herbs away.
Oh, so this is my other job. So we got our, what do you call this one? A tray?
Pie tray.
Pie tray. So we got our flaky puff pastry. So we are gonna blind bake this. So we're going to bake it first before we put all.
Minus the beans.
We got the rice in there. We can just use it.
Yeah,
You don't like it?
it's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, I do, but it's okay.
It's not gonna pop. Okay?
It'll puff a little bit.
Yeah, but it will be fine.
Yes. You could also use a short pastry, which is possibly a better option, but that's okay.
This one is supposed to be on top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But you did this one.
But it's okay.
That's fine?
It's nice.
It's done. So we're not gonna put it in the oven. So this is set at 180 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna put it in here and cook it for 15 minutes. It's hot. Let's set the timer. Ta-da! This is what happened. So this is the reason why you really have to blind bake now. But it's okay. We can still use that.
Oh, when it cools down, we just press it down.
Yeah. So that's totally fine. Just don't follow what we did.
Put this inside.
Yeah. So we're just really waiting for this one to finish. 14 minutes left. Yay! Wow. Yay! Wow. Yum.
Hopefully the mushrooms and onion and beef will all come together.
Do you want to put this one or not yet?
Not yet. Get a little warmer. Ah, I need you to taste it first. Be a good bite.
So that's just 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. And then water. Look at that.
Yeah.
You're adding a little bit of water?
Stop. I didn't add stop.
Oh, the chicken?
Mm.
Ah, okay. It's okay.
Jeez, this should have been done right at the start.
But that's okay. It's still gonna be yummy. So what are you putting?
Chicken stock.
Yay. Yum, 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 yum. Look at that. Oh my god. Is that just one?
Yes.
Yum, look at that. That will be so yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my god, look at that. Cover it with cheese. Cheese, the better. The more cheese, the better. Or no?
I love cheese.
Yum.
Quite a strong cheese is a good one to use for this.
We already cover it. And we also drizzled some milk just to get that brownish look. See you again mga ka-moments for the next vlog. Bye!